Here's a bunch of the tire shreds I've been mentioning in my other videos. So the tire treads you want to watch out for right there. It's a really hot day out today, so there's a lot of these retreads coming off these semis. And if you look at all that debris on the side of the road, every one of those is a tire that's flying off like a semi or a trailer. And you want to watch out for those getting caught up in your car, in your front end, in your tires, in your grill, in your radiator, in your windshield. They can actually make you crash. They can lock up your wheel and do a lot of damage. So be aware of those tires that are on the side of the road, or actually in the road, or if you pull up on the shoulder, they're out there. They're going to be all over. There's another one coming up right here on the right. So there's another piece right there. Actually, that was a raccoon. But I think you get the point. Watch out when you're on the road. Watch out for all these 18-wheeler tires.